25 most powerful machines dominating ski resort maintenance. Hello there, welcome to Titan Tech Trends, where we show you a world of amazing mega technologies in the heavy equipment industry that are sure to leave you marveling at the wonders of technology. For today's video, we'll be exploring the 5 most powerful machines currently dominating ski resort maintenance. Subscribe for more awesome videos. Number 25. The Prinoth Beast. This machine is as powerful as the beast in its name. It is a high-performance snow groomer that's capable of handling vast and challenging terrains. It comes with a remarkable operating width, good for getting the steep areas, a pretty high grooming speed of about 527 horsepower, optimal power transfer, and a master blade for better ski slope preparation. You can get a lot done using the Beast, as it cuts your work time almost by half. Its large track working surface allows operators a better grip and efficient use of power in all snow conditions. The cab section offers comfortable room for the operator with various settings that can be personalized to suit your needs. Number 24. The PistenBully 600 Polar. This environment-friendly machine is a dream for users. Its climbing abilities make it perfect for alpine conditions. The PistenBully 600 Polar was constructed based on customer reviews. It is significantly lighter, has incredible speed, and offers comfort while being efficient. It comes with a joystick for intuitive control with just one hand, a clear eye terminal that's intuitive to use, and an armrest as a thoughtful addition. This machine can manage your ski resort troubles just fine. 23. The Kässbohrer PistenBully 400 Park Pro. This machine was designed for building and maintaining snow parks. It features a flexible blade and special attachments to give you that perfect shape. The new PistenBully is a much improved version. For the operators, they're guaranteed a happy working time with warm feet, well-made seats, and handy tools. The Kässbohrer PistenBully 400 Park Pro switchblade tool makes working easier, faster, and more professional. It also reduces expensive and strenuous manual labor. Alpine Flex Tiller sharpens snow just how you want it thanks to its flexible nature, giving you the perfect personalized slope quality. 22. Prinoth Leitwolf. Known to be a famous product right out of the gates of Prinoth, its performance is just right with a good performance track record. Despite the terrain this machine has to work on, it executes it perfectly, leaving you with a perfectly groomed ski slope. Its adaptive and intuitive technology translates to adequate attention being paid to details. It comes with a height-adjustable and swiveling master plate with adjustable outer leaves and a rotating milling drum. 21. Kässbohrer PistenBully 100. The Kässbohrer is a compact powerhouse for a good snow grooming day. For its small size, it fits smaller ski resorts, tight spaces, and trails perfectly. Its size doesn't make it a pushover. Its powerful engine and specialized tracks effortlessly allow it to carve through snow, making every slope picture perfect. Plus, with an adjustable blade and easy-to-use controls, shaping and smoothing the terrain is quite easy. The PistenBully 100 guarantees top-notch snow conditions for all. 20. Prinoth Husky. The Prinoth Husky is an easy-to-use, compact, and powerful snow grooming vehicle essential for maintaining ski slopes. Its specialized tracks and adjustable blade ensure precise grooming, while advanced technologies like GPS navigation maximizes efficiency. With the Husky, operators can effortlessly shape and smooth slopes, providing optimal conditions for skiing and snowboarding. This multi-purpose vehicle is not only efficient, but also minimizes environmental impact. The Prinoth Husky creates a safe and enjoyable winter recreational area. 19. Bombardier BR 350. The Bombardier BR 350 is a versatile and powerful snow groomer. It is designed to function optimally, even in the toughest winter conditions. With its robust engine and specialized tracks, the BR 350 effortlessly plows through snow, leaving behind perfectly groomed trails in its wake. Equipped with advanced features and intuitive controls, shaping and smoothing the terrain is an easy task for operators. 18. John Deere 672G GP Motor Grader. Despite not being a traditional ski resort machine, the John Deere 672G GP Motor Grader has made it to our list. Its functionality for land shaping and maintenance during the off-season periods makes it a must-have for ski resorts. It delivers the right amount of power to areas you want touched. The 6-wheel drive models are equipped with precision mode for maximum productivity in all soil conditions, and it's also adjustable. The operator can manage a consistent speed using a dial switch without having to manage speed using the inching pedal. 17. Caterpillar 972M XE Wheel Loader. This machine fits seamlessly among your must-have equipment. With a reliable weight and loading capacity, it gives essential support for snow management and construction tasks around the resort. The Caterpillar 972M XE Wheel Loader provides reliable support in moving snow and materials with ease. Its versatility and efficiency make it a valuable asset for any resort looking to maintain top-notch facilities. Number 16. PistenBully 600E Plus. The world's first snow groomer with a diesel-electric drive, the PistenBully 600E Plus combines power with environmental friendliness. Its innovative design reduces fuel consumption and emissions while maintaining high performance, making it a suitable choice for eco-conscious resorts. 15. Prinoth Bison X. The Prinoth Bison X is a popular machine known for its extraordinary power and precision. The range of movement of the blade and tiller, the custom-designed park blade with side cutters, and the inclinometer enable perfect preparation of park elements in the tightest spots. Its low fuel consumption, low emissions, and the aftertreatment system decreases exhaust emissions, making it one of the cleanest engines of its class. The 12-inch touchscreen display allows for quicker access to the most important features with a joystick that can be operated using just the thumb. The automatic winch allows for easy and intuitive winching, fitting perfectly to the operator's preference. Give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying the content. Also, subscribe to this channel for weekly updates on mega machines. 14. Kässbohrer PistenBully 600 Winch. This is a type of the PistenBully 600 series fitted with a winch for extra power and safety on steep slopes. The winch arm can rotate with added friction. This machine is popular for managing the preparation of alpine ski slopes. It has 2 L motors. Each drives one track, remotely controlled, a reel to extend and retract the winch cable, pusher blade side panels to make the pusher blade wider, and a double compressor. Number 13. Prinoth Panther T12. This is another mega machine designed for moving heavy loads of 25,000 pounds across snowy and difficult terrains. All of which it does while exerting very low ground pressure. Its large wheels give more contact with the ground and more stability. Its strong pull ratio, added to its other features, and an engine that meets EPA Tier 4 final EU Stage 4 emission standards, allow this machine to access your pipeline construction site without damage to the environment. Number 12. Lannon 860C. The Lannon 860C is a multi-purpose backhoe loader used for various maintenance tasks around the ski resort. The machine has powerful, precisely operating working hydraulics with a broad range of adjustments for the various needs of each task, work attachment, and operator. And with a 10-inch touchscreen, navigation is comprehensive and adjustments can be made easily. The easy-to-reach toolboxes make it convenient to multitask simply by changing the driving direction. Number 11. Kässbohrer PistenBully 300 GreenTech. This eco-friendly ski resort maintenance machine is designed for the toughest work in difficult conditions. It runs on biomass fuel with wheels that have low ground pressure, making it ideal for working on sensitive surfaces which wheeled vehicles cannot drive over. Its diesel engines provide the power to get the job done both reliably and economically. Number 10. The Bombardier Snowcat BR 180. This is a medium-sized, versatile groomer for both trail maintenance and transport duties. The Snowcat BR 180 is a reliable workhorse in ski resort operations. Its compact design and powerful engine make it ideal for navigating narrow trails and transporting equipment across the resort. Number 9. Prinoth T4S. The Prinoth T4S is a tracked vehicle that excels at transporting personnel and equipment in deep snow conditions. It is a dependable asset for accessing remote areas of the resort with ease. Its rugged construction and superior traction make it the perfect choice for navigating challenging terrain and extreme weather conditions. Number 8. Kässbohrer PistenBully Scout. The PistenBully Scout is a small, agile bundle of power and has proved to be just as capable as any other ski maintenance machine. It is an all-terrain vehicle designed for rescue and utility tasks in snow-covered landscapes. The PistenBully Scout can cope with very heavy loads, carrying up to 1,650 pounds with ease. As an emergency and rescue vehicle, the PistenBully Scout safely recovers and rescues people from the most extreme spots. Number 7. The Volvo L90H Wheel Loader. Used for moving snow and materials, this machine is packed with innovative features. Built on the established H-Series design, this upgraded version offers high-quality performance. It has greater versatility and stability to handle your workload while offering the operator comfort and security. 6. The Prinoth Trooper. This all-terrain utility vehicle is designed to carry personnel and equipment across the ski resort with ease. It is equipped to tackle the toughest terrain and create trail networks through the most unforgiving landscape. Its limited ground pressure, simple controls, and automatic braking system make it a reliable machine. Number 5. Kässbohrer PistenBully 400 Indoor. Yet another upgraded version of the PistenBully. This machine is designed specifically for indoor ski centers, providing the same grooming quality in a smaller package. It possesses the perfect balance of force, weight, and maneuverability of older models, in addition to having a cleaner engine, comfortable cockpit, and assistance systems that lessen the driver's workload with smart automatic functions. Number 4. Manitou MHT 10180 Telehandler. A telescopic handler used for lifting and transporting heavy loads, including snowmaking equipment, the Manitou MHT 10180 Telehandler is a versatile machine essential for various maintenance tasks around the resort and can handle loads up to 9 tons. Its powerful engine and telescopic boom make it ideal for lifting and transporting heavy loads with ease. Number 3. Snow Dragon SND 900. A snow melting system that helps manage excess snow by melting it quickly and efficiently. The Snow Dragon SND 900 ensures effective snow management without the need for excessive manual labor. Its efficient operation and environmentally friendly design make it a valuable asset for resorts looking to maintain safe and accessible facilities for guests. Number 2. Prinoth SW4S. A versatile utility vehicle with a snowblower attachment for clearing paths and spaces around the resort. This machine is a 4-season municipal vehicle engineered to handle a vast range of maintenance tasks year-round. Thanks to its quick mount attachment system, the SW4S can be equipped with a wide variety of standard skid steer implements, such as a snowblower and front blade, to accomplish the most demanding jobs year-long. Number 1. Kässbohrer PistenBully 600W. Designed for working in wet snow conditions, the PistenBully 600 watts ensures a perfect groom even in challenging spring conditions. Its innovative design and superior traction make it the perfect choice for maintaining perfect conditions on the slopes, no matter the weather conditions. And that's it for the top 25 machines for ski resort maintenance. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and share button, and don't forget to subscribe to Titan Tech Trends for more episodes of mind-blowing mega techs.